What is a longnose sawshark? Have you ever heard of a shark that looks like it has a saw for a nose? Let's talk about the longnose sawshark, a fascinating ocean creature that stands out in the marine world. The longnose sawshark, scientifically known as Pristiophorus cirratus, is also called the common sawshark. This unique shark is easily recognized by its long, flat snout, known as a rostrum. The rostrum is lined with sharp, large teeth that resemble a saw blade. This special feature helps the longnose sawshark hunt for food. It uses its saw-like snout to sideswipe small animals resting on the ocean floor. This technique is quite effective for capturing prey. Physically, the longnose sawshark has a slender and slightly flattened body. Interestingly, its rostrum makes up about 30% of its total body length. The shark typically grows to a maximum length of around 1.37 meters, which is about 4.5 feet, and can weigh up to 8.5 kilograms or 18.7 pounds. You can identify the longnose sawshark by its 5 gill slits located on the sides of its head. This is different from sawfish, which have gills located underneath their heads. In terms of color, the longnose sawshark has a pale yellow or grayish-brown dorsal side and a white underside, often featuring faint dark blotches. This species is native to the eastern Indian Ocean, particularly around southern Australia and Tasmania. It prefers to inhabit continental shelf areas at depths ranging from 20 to 600 meters. The longnose sawshark often favors sandy or gravelly seabeds, usually between 37 and 146 meters deep. While it occasionally enters bays and estuaries, it generally stays offshore. When it comes to behavior, the longnose sawshark is mostly sedentary. It does not travel far from its home range, which is usually less than 100 square kilometers. These sharks often form schools and communicate with one another through sight, touch, and electrical signals detected by special organs called ampullae. In terms of diet, the longnose sawshark feeds on small crustaceans, bony fish like cornet fishes, shrimp, and small squid. It uses its barbels, which are whisker-like sensory organs located halfway down its rostrum, to detect prey hidden in the sediment. Once it senses its meal, it stirs up the ocean floor with its saw-like snout to uncover and immobilize the prey. Reproduction in longnose sawsharks is quite interesting. They are ovoviviparous, meaning the eggs develop and hatch inside the female's body, and she gives birth to live young. A typical litter consists of 6 to 19 pups, born every other winter after a gestation period of about 12 months. Newborn pups measure between 27 and 37 centimeters, or 11 to 15 inches, and their saw teeth are folded against their snout to protect the mother during birth. The longnose sawshark has a relatively short lifespan for a shark, living up to 15 years. It matures quickly and is considered highly productive compared to other sharks. Fortunately, this species is not dangerous to humans due to its deep habitat and behavior. In terms of conservation, the longnose sawshark is currently listed as least concern. Its populations remain stable thanks to protective regulations on shark fishing and marine protected areas within its range. In Australia, its meat is valued for its taste, but sustainable management practices help ensure this species continues to thrive in its natural environment. So, the longnose sawshark is a unique marine creature with a specialized saw-like snout that plays an important role in the ocean ecosystem. It is a great example of the diversity found among sharks and rays in our oceans.